Hey folks, it was a chilly start to the day, but not quite as cold as we thought it might be. These were our lows this morning across the valley, reported from the various sites across the area. 51 in Edinburgh, the coolest. Everybody else between 53 and 55. We had a lot of clouds. The clouds just didn't break. We thought we'd see more of a clearing last night. It didn't happen. So the clouds kept the temperatures from getting quite as cold. As we've gone through the daytime, though, the clouds have thinned out nice, so we've ended up with mostly sunny skies across the area today. And tonight, it'll still be chilly. The skies will be mainly clear early. I think by morning, this weak little front forms and goes through, and as it does, I think we could see some showers down to the south of us. And it's not out of the question that a couple of those showers could sneak up into coastal sections of the valley, especially right at Port Isabel, South Padre, early in the morning. Then after that, I think it's partly sunny skies for everybody for the rest of the day. So it's just a quick shot in the morning. After that, it looks pretty nice, and it stays cool most of the day. If you look at our rain chances, 10% early tomorrow near the coast. Otherwise, I think we're dry for the next 3 days. No big rain chances at all. And even if something does come down in the morning, it'll be brief, should move in and move out. These are your current temperatures. We're all back into the 70s now, including Port Isabel at 70. The island cooler at 69, 74 in McAllen, 76 at this hour in Rio Grande City. Low temperatures tonight back in the mid-50s again. We're going mainly clear with some clouds showing up later on. The island about 62 overnight. And then tomorrow back in the mid-70s, but the northeast wind kicks up a little bit. Starts at 5 to 10. At the coast, maybe a little windier than that because of that front. But inland, the wind shouldn't be a big problem. At the coast, it'll be a little breezier. 73 tomorrow, 77 Sunday. Then Monday, we're back to normal, or the 30-year average of 84. Look at the records. 95, 94, 100. Nowhere near that anytime soon. Rest of South Texas, San Antonio 63, Del Rio 68. Still cooler in Houston, 59 degrees there. Push back, look at the rest of the state. About 60 in Dallas, Austin 63, Lubbock at 62. There's another front working its way into the panhandle as we speak, and that's that weak front that'll push into here tomorrow. Front sitting in North Texas, basically a little trough of low pressure is going to form right along the coast. Just pull that front right through very quickly. Strong northerly winds out in the Gulf, buffeting the coast a little bit, but the rest of the valley, everybody should be a pretty nice day. But again, at the coast, those early clouds possible, maybe a brief shower. Then after that, we go into Sunday. Sunday looks delightful as well. High pressure in control of things. By Monday, the southeast wind kicks back in. The return flow brings a few more clouds, brings the dew points, the moisture back up, gets a little more humid. And then for early next week, another front makes its way into the state, but it's not going to get here probably until the second half of the week. As it approaches, moisture increases and our chance of rain goes up for the second half of next week as well. If you're traveling in the morning, going to San Antonio, it's 42 at 7 a.m. Houston's 45, Dallas is 38. By afternoon, the state warms up, and not that much. While we'll hit the 70s, San Antonio and Houston just in the 60s. The rest of North Texas and West Texas in the 50s for highs tomorrow afternoon. So take a jacket if you're going north of the valley. So for tonight, partly cloudy and cool. 56 for your low. Northeasterly winds relatively light. Then tomorrow, 73 for a high. Partly cloudy skies. Could be a brief shower near the coast. North to northeast winds at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. On Sunday, we're back to 77 after starting a little bit cooler. Monday we're at 84. Tuesday we're in the 80s. Wednesday, Thursday we're in the 80s. Another front late next week. Again, cools things off a little bit, brings the possibility of showers and a thunder shower. And yes, don't forget, tomorrow night before you go to bed, set your clock back 1 hour. Remember how to actually turn the clock back? It's been a long time since we've done that. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.